Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Joyful Oven. I'm Erica.
I'm Abigail.
Today is National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day.
So let's make some chocolate chip cookies. Start by adding half cup of unsalted butter to a mixing bowl. Next, add a cup of brown sugar and half cup of granulated sugar. Mix the butter and sugar together for 1 minute on a medium speed. And now we get to taste it.
Next, we'll add in
No, wait. Let's taste this again. Now we can add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 large egg. Mix it together until it's nice and creamy.
Next, we'll add in 1/4 teaspoon each of cinnamon and nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon each of baking soda and salt, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Next, add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Spices smell delicious. Now we can mix with spoons. It's so fun to mix.
Just before the mixture comes together, we'll add in 1½ cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
So much chocolate chips, that's so cool!
Next, continue mixing until the chocolate chips are evenly distributed and the batter is nice and smooth. Before we move on, it helps a lot if you dip your hand in some flour or icing sugar.
Pour 2 tablespoons of cookie dough into a bowl and place it on a baking tray.
Well, not yet. If we bake the cookies right now, they're going to melt in the oven. So we're going to cover them with plastic wrap and let them stay in the refrigerator for 2 hours.
Okay, Mommy. Now we can place the cookies on a baking tray, 2.5 inches apart from each other.
Let a grown-up bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 340 degrees for 20 minutes.
Yay! The chocolate chip cookies are finished. Woohoo! The outside is so crispy and inside it's so much chocolate chips. I hope you guys like this recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe to Erica's Joyful Oven for more kids recipes. Bye guys!